how to replace your brake rotor on your 99 to 04 Mustang GT or regular Mustang also. I'm gonna make this one short and sweet, just get to the point. I'm in a bit of hurry trying to get this done. This is the problem. It has new calipers and new pads. Listen, that's as far as it moves. So I think the rotor is warped, and it has some pretty big gouges in it as you feel it. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the rotor with just a regular basic cheap rotor and see if that fixes the problem, because I'm gonna get all new rotors and pistons and pads later on down the road. Nice matching set. I just want to see if this fixes the problem. And this slows me down. That's drag. That's pretty bad. And it's annoying driving down the street. You look like a fool. So go ahead, loosen up your lug nuts, then jack your vehicle up. I'm going to go ahead and take the tire off and get to it. I got the rim and tire assembly off. Wasn't too hard. You can't do that. Step away. You're going to want to loosen up and take off this bolt and this bolt right down here. Both those are 15 millimeter. I just recently took them off since I redid most of the front end on this car like a month ago. If you haven't seen that video, I'll try to throw a link up right here. If not, I'll put it down in the description below. And at that time I did the wheel hub assembly, so I know that's not the problem of why it's being like this. So my last thing is the rotor. Should work. I'm going to go ahead and take those two off and remove the caliper. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and push that piston back in a little bit. You don't have to do it too far, so I'm going to see if that helped. There we go, that's off. You want to set it up, make sure you don't pinch or pull on the brake line. So now that that's up, you just go ahead, remove that. Oh, look at that pretty old hub assembly. Looks nice. Now you can go ahead and install a new one. If you want, you can clean this surface off. I got a little towel right here. I'm going to just wipe it down. Well, it's all new, so shouldn't be too bad. And then go ahead and put the new one on. That's simple, new one's on. Now you just want to go ahead and back up your brakes to the bolt holes. That's simple. Now it's lined up. Go ahead and put your bolts back in. At least get them started to hold everything together. Okay, you got both bolts in holding it. Go ahead and tighten them up. I would get them a little tight and then go back and snug them up again. And then after that, make sure you put your rim and tire on flush. Make sure this stays flat too. Also, you sometimes can get it on a little offset and it's not sitting flush. So just make sure it is. Let me go ahead and tighten up them two bolts. While you have it, that's how to replace your rotor. I tightened up all the lug nuts, crisscross, pretty tight. Gonna go ahead and take the jack down. And that's it. It's how to replace your front rotor. The only problem is, it didn't fix my problem. So, I'm going to go drive it around a little bit, put a little wear on it, and see if it'll quiet down a little bit. I think them pads, because of this rotor, are just so messed up. So, oh well, whatever. I was just hoping to try to quiet it down, but obviously it's not any quieter. That's how to replace your front brake rotors on your 99 to 04 Mustang GT or regular Mustang. Most vehicles, that's probably usually how you would do it. Every vehicle I come across, 2 bolts, take the caliper out, take the caliper off, and it's that simple. Get right to it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Until next time. Peace.